Well, good afternoon folks, and welcome to the channel and welcome to the woodland, and thank you very much for taking your time to come out and join me on this video. Today I thought I'd share with you a little modification I've done on my Kelly Kettle, and it's on the base for the stove part of the Kelly Kettle. My kit is the Kelly Kettle Scout, and it's an absolute fantastic bit of kit, don't get me wrong. But on my previous video to this one, we came out into this woodlands and we done a little bit of cooking and we made a brew, and I just found it to burn a little bit sluggish, it didn't burn too clean. So what I thought I'd do is make a little bit of a modification, and what I've done, I've put a few extra holes in. If we take a look there, there's the original hole that was already on the base of this Kelly Kettle, and then I've simply got approximately what, 28mm hole cutter, and proceeded to cut 3 more holes in and just filed them down so they're a lot smoother and less chance of getting cutting myself or anything like that. And the reason behind this, I thought, as I said earlier, I didn't think it burnt that clean. I didn't think it burnt that well. I don't think the airflow was passing through, so I thought I'd open it up. And what I'm going to do now, we'll fill it with twigs and we'll have a look and see if it burns any better. And I'll show you one of the principles why I decided to have it with 4 holes in rather than just 1 or even 2. So right, I'll bring you back along just now and we'll fill this with twigs. There we go. As you can see, one of my reasons why I wanted the 4 holes cutting into the base is so I can simply feed sticks through at the base there, and then we can simply add a few more twigs in and around like so, and then as this is burning, we can continue to feed sticks around there when we've got the hobo stove part on the top of here, as well as putting smaller twigs inside. So what we'll do, we'll take some of this waxed card, we'll tear it up into chunks, fluffy it up a bit, and put some in there, and put some in there, put some there. We'll take a lighter, like that. There. And we'll just take a few more smaller twigs and just put them over there, just so we don't suffocate it. And put another bit down this side, just to help it along. Right, let's get a bit of water put into the kettle. We'll put all this in. There we go. We'll get the whistle put in there with the vent facing towards the bottom. Bring it around that way, I think. There we go. That vent's facing towards the bottom. We'll just move this bit for now. Get that one off now. There we go. We'll put that kettle on and we'll wait for that to boil. Well, this is the first time I've used the Kelly Kettle since I made the modification. Comparing how it burned and how efficient it was prior to the video I made last week, this has done much better. And in my opinion, this modification really has helped the stove along. It's made a absolutely amazing stove into an absolute superb stove. But yeah, it's just cracking. That got to boil in absolutely no time at all. And I think just getting that extra airflow just helps it out. It really does. I mean, I've used the same twigs that I gathered last week, and admittedly everything is a little bit damp now. We're into autumn, but that seemed to do well. So I'm going to make a brew now and just sit out and enjoy that out here for a little bit. Well, in my opinion, I think I've made the right decision by putting extra holes in the base of that for the Kelly kettle. I think it's just burning much better. It burned cleaner, it burned faster, and that kettle came to a boil in no time at all. And I think it'll come into itself when I come to cooking. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you've made any modifications to your Kelly kettle yourself, and what you think of me putting the extra 3 holes within that base there. Well, I'm going to sit back now and enjoy a cup of coffee, and I'm going to go and sit with my wife, and we're going to just enjoy a little bit of time in the woods before we head off. Lovely. So I'd just like to say thanks for watching. If you're new around here, please check out our other content and hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to leave the video, and as always, bye for now. Stay safe, and we'll see you all on the next one.